Good morning, Miva. Great to see everyone here today on this great Monday morning. So our quote of the day, we'll get started right into it. It is incredibly easy to get so wrapped up in past wrongs, hurts, offenses, imagined or real, that we completely overlook present blessings and opportunities and become blind to future possibilities. So keep that in mind as you go about your day today. Easy to focus on that stuff. Let's focus on some good things. Well, things from our history. Well, today in history, actually did a little bit of a retrograde to Saturday and Sunday. So Saturday, I thought it was interesting. In 1814, Francis Scott Key wrote the words to Star Spangled Banner as he awaits aboard a British boat in the Chesapeake Bay for the outcome of the British assault on Fort McHenry during War of 1812. And then on Sunday, kind of a neat time in our history. 1588, the Spanish Armada, which attempted to invade England, is destroyed by a British fleet, and I believe that was Sir Francis Drake who was responsible for that. And I also remember from my college days history classes that I believe it was during a fog, an immense fog broke out, and it helped the English defeat the Spanish and kind of change the tide for the oceans at that point. And then in 1620, well, we're still over 2 months away now from Thanksgiving, but the Pilgrims did sail on this day from England on the Mayflower. So kind of a little bit of a trivia thing for you, maybe. Okay, today's agenda, we'll just do a few announcements, and then we'll go right into our targeted IXL instruction. And then you will be doing all of this already in your advisory class, so you don't have to worry about getting back and forth, and your teachers will dismiss you from there. All right, so here are our announcements. First is the book club. It's back this year, so don't forget to come in on the first Wednesday of every month from 11:50 to 12:30, right around lunchtime. First meeting is held on Wednesday, October 2nd, and they'll be discussing The Giver by Lois Lowry. And then they've got some other scheduled as well, and that would be the Hunger Games. And then, December, you get to choose one, so that'll be interesting. So reach out to Ms. Valley if you'd like that. Her email is right there, and she's ready for you whenever you are. I also received this from Dr. Brown, and she said that we are invited to the Common Ground Fair, which is on Friday, September 20th. And so it is a free event, but you can certainly RSVP to Mary at mainvirtual.org to find out more. All right, so those are our announcements. Now you're going to be in your advisory room at this point. I put a new slide up for when we do our advisories starting from the main assembly. Today you are already in advisory, so don't worry about that. But certainly have a great time in your sessions, and you know what you're doing. You're trying to improve yourself to get better, learn more, and be a better student. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much, and make it a great day, everyone.